Ron Ananian, the car doctor. Danny and I are just kind of rolling along the day today. It's Monday, a busy day in the shop, getting the week going. Danny's doing a cabin filter on this 17 Ford Escape that's behind him here, off to his right or his left, whichever. And customer complaint was the blower motor's a little noisy. Sounds like it's got debris in it. And I said, well, maybe the cabin filter's, bypassing. Maybe it's not installed properly. And the customer said, but I did it myself. He's saving money. So here's the new one that's going to go in. Here's the one we took out. You know what? It's okay if you want to work on your own car, but just make sure you're doing it right. When you squeeze the filter like this to get it in all serious, no kidding around, you're now allowing that area to bypass. So debris gets past it in all the possible areas, and there's no protection here. So as material makes its way down off the cowl and into the blower motor area past the cabin filter, you just create a whole slew of problems. You know what? Either work on the car right or don't work on it at all. Sometimes you just got to put the tools down and walk away. Thought you'd like to see what can go wrong from even a simple cabin filter. I'm Ron Ananian, the car doctor. I'll see you guys on radio. Thanks for stopping by the garage. Danny, let's get this done.
Did you miss this week's full broadcast of Ron Ananian, the car doctor? Or maybe you want to hear certain parts of it all over again. Well, it's easy to do. Once the show airs, it then becomes a podcast. You can find it through all major podcast players and media: iHeartMedia, Google, Amazon Music, Spotify, and so much more. Use your favorite search engine and ask for Ron Ananian Podcast. Watch what happens next. Need more Ron? That's okay. Look for Ron Ananian, available via podcast, wherever podcasts are found.